today I'm going outside of Frankfurt. So right now I'm walking to the Gallus water station to catch the S-Bahn number 5 going up north. So I am going to Bad Homburg vor der Höhe. So let's call it Bad Homburg. So first it seems to be like a nice little city. And there is a castle and a park. So the castle, Schloss Bad Homburg, so the castle of Bad Homburg. I have the description in French. Palais baroque, ancienne résidence impériale prussienne avec mobilier d'origine et tour médiévale. And the park is Kurpark Bad Homburg, so parc thermal de Bad Homburg, parc du 19e siècle, s'étendant sur 47 hectares avec sources minérales, golf, cours de tennis, restaurant et aire de jeu. That sounds like a really cute city. And I've seen enough of Frankfurt, so yeah. Alright, I'm approaching the Gallus water station. Right there, some nice little garden. Oh, that's the toilet, I think. Oh, and that is me missing the train. It's okay. I'm going to catch the next one. I can actually see it's the S5, so that's the one I need. But I'm going to get the next one. I don't have a ticket yet. So the S5 to Bad Homburg in 4 minutes. So the station looks really nice. I've only walked like 200 meters in this city and it's already so much more pleasant than Frankfurt. Like it's all very clean around the station. It's all very nice. It's very green. So Hat House, I believe it's a city hall. Hat House. I think I can see the tower there. So that's the library of the town. This is the bell tower of, I'm guessing, a church, which I will visit later. Oh, there's a tattoo shop. No kidding. And I can see the tower of the castle. Alright, so the nice church with the bell tower and tower of the castle. Very nice little street right in front of the church. Little street, very quiet, going to the old center, I'm guessing. Aha, 10:30. I can see this flag a lot. I'm guessing that's the colors of the city. And look at all the colorful houses. Really pretty. Yeah, that's a beautiful town. Look at that. It seems that the castle is right there. That's the castle tower. And just there. Wow. That's a very impressive tree. Alright, so I bought 2 tickets. One is the tour of the Imperial rooms, starting in 3 minutes at 11 and lasting 45 minutes or 50. And my second ticket is a ticket to the White Tower. I thought I would take the complete thing, but I don't want to actually see everything. Because the inside of the apartments you can only do with the tours, the guided tours. They both last 45-50 minutes. So nearly an hour. And I don't want to bother with 2 tours. So yeah, just the Imperial rooms. So I have the guide in English. Alright, so I only took photos inside during the tour. So I'm going to share 100 photos of it or something like this right now. now I have the key to the White Tower. A photo shoot happening there. So that's the main door. Nice. Nice view, by the way. It's turning people. And she said I had to close behind me because obviously, as you have to pay for it. What's that noise? Where are the birds? Oh, there's a nest. Is that? Oh my god, they're little babies. Little babies. I'm not going to touch them or anything. Of course. Okay. That is cute, but I don't want to scare them too much. I can open it apparently. I really hate having vertigo. Just looking at this makes me, I don't know if you have this sort of issues, but somehow having the camera helps. Well, it doesn't look like having something in the end, but it helps me focus on something else. Okay, I can do this. It's like once I'm in the stairs, that is fine. Okay, that's better. I'm just going to give the key back before I explore some more. That's the tower with the fountain, just right there. And the building, so I think what I visited was in there, maybe just that part. That's the front, and that's the entire park. Everything outside can be visited for free. It's just if you want to go inside, there are the 2 tours. Okay, nice. It's not only time to explore some more, but also it is 1 p.m. so I want to find food. Food is important. Alright, that was good. Now time to explore some more. Okay, now I'm going towards the park. Schlosspark, Homburg. Whatever I do, I need to be back at the lockers before 5 p.m. because my bag is in there. So that is the map of the garden. Currently I am there, right under my thumb. So the tower up there. It's coming to my attention that I might actually need my bag because I'm a little bit low on battery on my main camera. I don't have the second battery with me, of course, and there are some frogs and flowers, and I might need to zoom in a bit on that, which is not possible with the GoPro, which is very limited on my big camera. So I might actually need my Panasonic video camera, which is in my bag, which is in the locker. So I'm going to finish this part, go back to the locker and do the rest. I'm still close to the buildings, so that's fine. Alright, so I'm going back. Time to open this big baby. There we go. Ta-da. There's an egg. At least 1, 2. Frogs, but I have not managed to see even one frog until now. Alright, so goodbye castle. And I am going there, visiting first this church, then the other church, and then going that way towards the little streets in the sort of old typical city center. Very nice. Okay, so this is, oh god, Erlöser Kirche, Evangelische Erlöser Kirchengemeinde. It's actually open until 5 p.m. so for 30 minutes. Well, very nice, very impressive inside, very golden and dark at the same time. And this one is Stadtpfarrkirche St. Marien. I may have only 10 minutes to visit it. Pfarrkirche St. Marien. Okay, so that was very nice too, a very different style from the other one, but very nice. And now I'm going right in front towards the old little streets. Right, so literally the church and little streets there. I'm not actually going to visit the park of Bad Homburg. I've already had like a lot of greenery with the park of the castle. And yeah, those streets look really cute, so I just want to see those little streets. And then I will go back towards the station. That said, there are trains until late, so I could actually... Wait, no, because I have to pack my bag for tomorrow. Are you joking? Look at this car. It's a Mustang. What? What? So that was ring photo coming. I basically bought a new camera, but here's the thing, I asked him, I didn't know. First I just wanted to look at the bags, But then I saw all these cameras, like those analog cameras, and like there was an entire shelf of Voigtlander. I asked him what the price was, and he said the cameras were between 50 and 150. And like Voigtlanders, like tested and everything, fully functional. I got my favorite one for 50 euros. So freaking good deal. It has a 50mm lens, by the way, which is fantastic. Alright, it's 6 p.m. and something, so I'm going towards the station now. So here is the camera I just got. Voigtlander. Yes, 50mm. Vitomatic 2A. And 50 euros. Beautiful. I don't have any film rolls with me, plus I'm leaving tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So I'm not going to take any photo with it during this trip to Frankfurt. But I will do that later. And I can see the train station there. And it's nearly 6:30, so good timing, I would say. Not too early, not too late, because I need to pack my bag for tomorrow. My bus will be leaving at 6:30 a.m. so I need to prepare everything and go to bed as early as possible.
When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game.